Right, soldering's going well. What I would suggest is that you get one of these devices, which is a magnifying glass with little hands that hold everything, and then basically it makes your life so much easier. So we've still got about maybe 100 points to solder. That's just the chip holders. Quite a lot of chips. Here's all the chips. And then once we've done those, we've got quite a lot of resistors to put in and a few other components. And then we'll see what happens. Back to you soon. Okay, so everything is now soldered in. All of the chip holders. I did forget to do the headers, which I'm going to do. So the headers need to go in here. And once they're soldered in, then that's that part done. All looking good. Everything looks happy. A lot of soldering though. So let's hope it's worth it.